We are going to do a volcano today.
Yeah.
So Junjun draw instruction already, right?
The first one is over
Yeah,
here. We need to take a bottle, squish the newspaper so that it can be like this one. So the next.
So what we have here, we have vinegar, we have coloring, we have baking soda,
And tape.
tape, painting, we have a bottle. So we're going to do a volcano. We have the newspaper here.
So we have this with a bottle with color with paintbrush.
Jun, so let's get started, okay?
Yeah.
All right. Put it under the sun for about 1 hour probably. Okay,
My volcano is done.
so what are you gonna do next?
We are going to paint.
You're going to paint your volcano. Ready, okay?
I think you want to explode.
Alright. Now, okay. Good. You pour some coloring inside. Use red color. Alright. You pour the water inside.
Everything?
Yeah, I think everything.
It looks hard.
Oh, wow. I think we should put. Alright. Next, we're gonna put some baking soda. Where's your baking soda?
At the back.